Hi Reddit, it's Teresa here from Atlas Pilates in Seattle, Washington, and I heard you had a question about the Gratz beanbag device. It's very simple. It's a bag filled with sand. It's on a rope with a small dowel. So first I'm going to show you the full exercise intended for a normal healthy body with no injury or pain in the wrist, elbow, shoulder, neck. And then I'll backtrack and show you how to develop that for someone who has weak wrists or some pain in them. So we'll hold the dowel straight, and I'm going to rotate the dowel using my hands. I'm trying to open and close my hands completely every time. I'm going to get this, I'm standing on a box because this string is quite long, and I want to get the beanbag all the way to the bottom. This is a lot harder than it looks. I finally made it, so now I'm going to return. I'm going to turn to the side so you can see my posture. I'll show you how we can cheat. We rest in our posture and use counterbalance. So I want you to pull your stomach in and up, reach the arms out long, and keep breathing. This is actually a full body exercise, but my forearms are actually on fire. So I'm going to make it all to the way top. I'm going to keep breathing. I'm going to use my strong stomach, and I'm almost there, and I made it. Okay, so you can do that up to 3 times, down and up. That's the full exercise. To develop this exercise, we're going to use just a simple dowel. So you can hold your arms out. It's the same exact thing. I'm rotating. This is what can happen right away when you haven't tried it. The dowel starts going side to side. So the goal is to keep that dowel level and make the movement happen in your hands and your wrists. When you get tired, just take a little rest. My arms are actually burning, so I'm going to take a little rest, take a breath, and then put my arms back out again, and we'll return. So try to go the opposite way. I'm going to turn to the side again so you can see another cheat. When the wrists are weak, the shoulders and the elbows start to try to do the motion, take over. So you're going to try your best to keep your shoulders relaxed, your arms reaching. Take your time, try to keep the dowel level, and when you get tired, just take a little rest. It's a big leap to go from a dowel to the Gratz beanbag device. So what you can do is you can just remove some of the sand, start with a little bit of sand, and as you get stronger, you add a little sand, and so you get back up to the full amount. Let us know if you have any more questions.